Hey guys, if you want to start an online business right now is the best time. Shopify is currently running a massive 97% off deal for the first 3 months. Use the link in the description to grab the official Shopify free trial, which gives you 3 days completely free and then 3 full months for just $1 a month. So scroll down, click the link, and secure the offer before it is gone. Getting this Shopify 3 months for $1 deal is super easy. Click the link below to go to the official page, enter your email, and hit Start Free Trial. You do not need a credit card for the first 3 days, and you can just breeze through the initial questions. Now, this is the most important part. To actually unlock the full features and the deal, you must pick a plan. Do not worry, you will not be charged right now. You just confirm the plan to ensure you get that 97% off discount, which gives you Shopify 3 months for $1 after your trial ends. I recommend the basic plan for beginners. It has everything you need, including checkout payments and Shop Pay, which lets customers buy now and pay later. Once you are in the dashboard, use the drag and drop editor to customize your store or connect dropshipping apps like DSers instantly. To launch, just go to Online Store, then Preferences, and remove the password so people can actually visit and buy. You get fast hosting, secure SSL, and 24/7 customer support if you ever get stuck. Stop overthinking it. This Shopify $1 3 months offer is basically risk-free since you can cancel anytime. Click the link in the description right now to claim your Shopify free trial and start your business today for just $1. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.